Automatic bill pay is a convenient and easy way to pay bills without having to worry about remembering due dates or writing in mailing checks. Not only is it a time saver, but it also has numerous benefits that can help you achieve your financial goals. Here are 20 benefits of automatic bill pay. Number 1. Improved credit score. By paying your bills on time, you can improve your credit score. Late payments can have a negative impact on your credit score, but with automatic bill pay, you can ensure that your payments are made on time every month. Number 2. Avoid late fees. Late fees can add up quickly and can be expensive. With automatic bill pay, you can avoid these fees by setting up your payments to be made automatically on the due date. Number 3. Save money. Automatic bill pay can help you save money in a few different ways. For example, some companies offer discounts for customers who sign up for automatic bill pay. Additionally, by avoiding late fees, you can save money on the cost of those fees. Number 4. Reduce stress. Paying bills can be stressful, especially if you have a lot of them. With automatic bill pay, you can set it and forget it, which can help reduce the stress and worry of remembering to pay your bills on time. Number 5. Better budgeting. By setting up automatic bill pay, you can see exactly how much money is being spent on bills each month. This can help you better plan and budget your money and make sure you have enough to cover all of your expenses. Number 6. Convenience. With automatic bill pay, you don't have to worry about remembering due dates or writing in mailing checks. You can set up your payments to be made automatically, so you won't have to worry about it. Number 7. Protect against identity theft. By paying your bills online, you can reduce the risk of identity theft. When you mail a check, there is a risk that it could be lost or stolen. With automatic bill pay, your payments are made electronically, which reduces the risk of identity theft. Number 8. Save time. Automatic bill pay can save you a lot of time. You don't have to worry about writing and mailing checks or logging into multiple accounts to pay your bills. It's all done automatically, so you can focus on other things. Number 9. Environmentally friendly. Automatic bill pay is environmentally friendly because it reduces the amount of paper being used. By paying your bills online, you can help reduce the amount of paper waste and do your part to protect the environment. Number 10. Keep track of payments. With automatic bill pay, you can easily keep track of your payments. Most banks and credit card companies offer online tools that allow you to see all of your payments in one place, so you can stay organized and keep track of your finances. Number 11. Avoid misplacing checks or bills. It's easy to misplace a check or bill when you have to physically write and mail them. With automatic bill pay, you don't have to worry about losing track of your bills or checks. Number 12. No need to worry about postal delays. If you mail a check, there is always the risk that it could be delayed in the mail. With automatic bill pay, your payment is made on the due date, regardless of postal delays. Number 13. Automatic payments can be customized. Many automatic bill pay systems allow you to customize your payments. For example, you can set up automatic payments for a specific amount or specify which account you want the payment to come from. Number 14. Automatic payments can be paused or canceled. If you need to pause or cancel your automatic payments for any reason, most systems allow you to do so easily. This flexibility can be especially useful if you are planning to travel or if you have a temporary change in income. Number 15. Improved organization. Automatic bill pay can help you stay organized and keep track of your finances. When all of your bills are paid automatically, you don't have to worry about remembering due dates or keeping track of receipts. This can help you avoid missed payments and keep your finances on track. Number 16. Automatic payments can be set up for recurring expenses. Many expenses, such as rent or a gym membership, are recurring and happen on a regular basis. With automatic bill pay, you can set up these payments to be made automatically, so you won't have to worry about remembering to pay them every month. Number 17. Simplify payment process for multiple bills. If you have multiple bills that need to be paid each month, it can be time-consuming to log into each account and make a payment. With automatic bill pay, you can set up all of your bills to be paid automatically, which can save you time and simplify the payment process. Number 18. Eliminate the risk of lost or stolen mail. Mail can sometimes get lost or stolen, which can be a problem if you have important bills or checks in the mail. With automatic bill pay, you can eliminate this risk because your payments are made electronically. Number 19. Automatic payments can be set up for irregular expenses. Some expenses, such as car insurance or property taxes, may not happen every month. With automatic bill pay, you can set up these irregular expenses to be paid automatically when they are due, so you don't have to worry about remembering to pay them. Number 20. Can help with financial planning. By setting up automatic bill pay, you can get a better idea of your monthly expenses and how much money you have left over after paying your bills. This can help you with financial planning and allow you to set aside money for savings or other financial goals. Thank you for watching our video on the benefits of automatic bill pay. We hope you found the information helpful and that it has convinced you to give automatic bill pay a try. With automatic bill pay, you can save time, reduce stress, and improve your credit score. It's also environmentally friendly and can help you stay organized and keep track of your finances. We highly recommend giving it a try and seeing the benefits for yourself. Thanks again for watching, and we hope you have a great day.